I'm done stitching the actual sewing machine. A little bit I show you. I remove all the hand stitches there, so that it will not be ugly. Of course, I need to clean it up, right? This is stitches of sewing machine. I left 3/4 just to show you. Sewing it on the sewing machine is easy already because it's already assembled. It won't move. It will be stable, right? So my portable sewing machine is not that beautiful on the high speed, I don't know. So it's very thick. This one is very thick. I put it on number 9 for thick. This is for thickness. If I'm sewing a thick cloth, layers like that, I put it. This one is the highest, number 9, because this is so thick. Okay, then it's very easy already because it is already stable there. And then before I forget, the 1/2 centimeter you have to follow. I have to follow, folding it 1/2 centimeter here. There. It must be a little bit thin, not so much thickness inside the folding. There. I will start where I stop there on stitching it. Then thread inside. There, I'll show you. Be careful of the wrinkled. Just stitch on the very near to the end of the folded one. There is a very big bulk in here. It's okay. I'll do it manually. Like that. It's done. Okay, it's done. You see, it's easy and fast and accurate. Then I have to remove all the hand stitch so it will not be dirty, of course, right? It will be beautiful. Like that. It's easy. I just stitch it with very big line. The rest I will just remove it later. I'm just showing you how to remove that my hand stitches is there. If you clean up, it will look beautiful. So it's there, you see. This is the one I stitched now on the spot. I removed the hand stitches. The other side I did not remove it yet. No more time, later after the video. It will be beautiful after I remove the hand stitch. I'm just showing you. It's easy if you assemble it first with hand stitch, right? No problem at all. Just be patient to stitch it first. There you go. My placket is so big, a little bit big. I want it to be like that. If you like a design that is 2 inches at 2 centimeter only, you have to divide the when you're drawing the pattern on the pattern paper, on the middle of the blouse or shirt, you put the middle 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Okay, don't forget that this 3 centimeter is 1.5, 1.5. You always divide it whatever centimeter you like here. Okay, it's done. Of course, the removing of the hand stitches is off the camera, and then I will put the armhole and then we'll show you the finished product. It will be beautiful, including the buttons. You see, it's easy, right? Sewing it, but the hand stitching, assembling it takes 1 hour for me, but this one is only 5 to 10 minutes. Okay.